best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
So you see the lifestyle of successful entrepreneurs. You see the exotic cars we drive, our fancy, houses or mansions, the world travels, the jet skiing, all the cool stuff, a lot of the cash, that we do. But in reality, not everybody is meant to be an entrepreneur. Basically, don't start a business until you watch this video, and I'm gonna go over the 5 most common things you need to understand, which may mean you're not ready to start a business. I'm going to start a business and make a lot of money. Probably not, okay? Most people don't make any money starting a business. It's a risk. And as I said before, you see all of the money we're making. I make about $1 million a month in my business. You see all of our nice houses. I own 1.5 acres in Malibu. I'm buying another vacation house soon. And you see all of the lifestyle, all the world travels that entrepreneurs do. And it might be appealing, and you might think to yourself, I want to start a business too. That's what I want in my life. But in reality, being a business owner, being an entrepreneur, working for yourself is not for everyone, okay? And here are the 5 reasons why you probably shouldn't start a business, or it may mean you're not ready yet. And just to give you a higher level overview of this is most people have a poor mindset, and you're never going to make money or get rich with a poor mindset. Most people have been taught by the media, by social media, by their parents, by education system to have a poor mindset. So keep in mind these reasons why not to start a business. They may be things you need to change mentally. So the first thing is not something you change mentally, but it's a symptom of it, is if you have no money, okay? If you have no money, then you need to get a job. You need to do work. You need to do whatever you can and start saving up that money. Learn skills. And you can start a business on the side, but starting a business is risky. It is not guaranteed money. Being an entrepreneur is not a pyramid scheme. And you need money to either be able to afford food or to afford a place to live or to invest in business tools or trainings or education or seminars or whatever you're going to do to advance in whatever business you start. So if you don't have any money, learn skills. It's very easy to make $100,000 a year in today's day and age. You can go online and you can learn programming for free, or you can go out and just sell some stuff. Very easy. Not hard to do, and it's free. Next thing, the second reason you shouldn't start a business is if you don't understand the industry. Now, in my training course, I teach affiliate marketing, and there's a lot of words that are involved in affiliate marketing. That's why I have a training course, because you can't just expect, if you don't understand what an affiliate network and an affiliate program is, and what EPC means, and what an offer is, and what a pub or an affiliate manager is, or all these different terms, what an ad campaign is, all these things, then you're probably going to miss out on a lot of the conversations people are having about affiliate marketing. You're not going to understand the industry enough to know what to fix. And that's why, I have a training course in it, because it does take knowledge and there is individual language for every industry. So you need to understand the language of the industry. You need to know what people are talking about. If you're doing drop shipping, you need to know, what does drop shipping even mean? What is the difference between drop shipping and just fulfilling the product yourself? So you need to understand those terminologies to help you move forward, learn, and advance. Now, the third reason not to start a business is a really big one, and it's a stamina/mindset one. And what it is if you have no stamina, okay? And this is possibly one of the most common mistakes I see is people start businesses, but they aren't even willing to do the business and fail for 3 months. Most people, they just want to snap their fingers and instantly have $100 bills in their hands. Now, the reality is that businesses generally take time to get started and understand everything and really start making that money. And you can't just snap your fingers and expect to have something. And if you're a first-time business owner, you need to have stamina. You need to be able to work in the same business, failing over and over again. Poor you, for 3 months. And if you're not willing to do that, then you're not willing to start a business. And if you just put this in comparison, failing at starting a business for 3 months is easy work compared to, my grandparents fought Nazis in World War II. They had to get shot at every day. This is easy. We're sitting in air conditioning rooms, tapping on computers, eating Cheetos. Don't worry if your business doesn't make money for 3 months. You gotta have stamina if you want to be able to start a business. Now, the fourth reason not to start a business is if you want more free time. You're not going to get free time running your own business. In fact, having a business is like having a child. It's something you've got to nurture. It's something where you have emotionally difficult times with and emotionally great times with, and it's something that takes time, even when you don't feel like giving time. If your baby's crying, just because you're hungover, just because you don't want to feel like it, or just because you're feeling lazy and you want to go hang out with your friends, you still have to take care of your baby. You can't just leave it. And a business is like a baby, because when you first have your baby, it takes the most amount of time and effort. And you've got to be willing to put in that time and effort. But the great thing about children is once they've grown up and once they're older, they just do things on their own and they work for themselves and they do their own thing, and you get to enjoy that pleasure of being a father or a mother without having to pay for everything for them and without having to do all of that little work. You just get to enjoy your time with them. And the fifth reason not to start a business is if you don't know how to market or if you don't want to market. All transactions happen from either sales or marketing. And sales is, actually talking to people, person to person, in meetings. Whereas marketing is leveraged forms of communication like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Google, right? So that's what you want to use. And in today's day and age, people spend more time and increasingly large amounts of time on, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need to understand how to leverage those platforms to get people interested and purchasing whatever product it is that you are trying to get people to buy. So whether you're doing e-commerce or affiliate marketing or software or apps or whatever it is, or even just, client work, B2B type agency stuff, you still need to know how to market and reach people through these social mediums. So if you don't know how to market, better start learning. And with that side note, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you got value from this video, go in the comments and say, let's go, okay? Because if you're ready to start a business, if you have what it takes, okay? If you have a little money you're willing to invest in your business, if you understand what it takes to do marketing, you're following this channel, make sure to subscribe. If you have stamina, if you're willing to put some of your free time out there, and if you know how to market, if you've been following this channel, then you know how to market, then make sure you say, let's go, because let's make this money. It's a wide open blue ocean for entrepreneurs out there right now if you have the mindset and the stamina to take it to the next level. And if you're interested in learning more from me and having me as your mentor, you can join the Money Club. It's like there's a join button. It's $50 a month. Join the Money Club. You'll get about 40 hours of free content from me. Okay, these are videos from me, and you'll get 2 live streams a month where you'll be able to ask me questions and interact with me live. Should be pretty exciting. So make sure to join the Money Club, subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next video.